Yo, what's up everyone? We're back. This is our final, maybe second final build. I don't know. We're getting close to the end. Build episode here for the CRF 450. So we have Mr. Justin back in the shop.
No paparazzi.
Anyway, we got our last few parts over here. So what we were missing, these are the pieces we were missing. We were missing this sick little exhaust gasket. And was it this bolt?
Both of them.
Both of them?
Yeah.
I thought it was just one that wouldn't go in.
No, one of them was the threads were fucked up inside.
All right, anyway, so we need these two bolts also. So we also have our transmission fluid, our oil. We've got some coolant, even though I thought I had more coolant, and I don't. I've only got a little bit of coolant. Exhaust system's got to go on. And basically, that's all we need. And we're going to fire this bad boy today. 15 minutes?
Just got to put the exhaust gasket on, tighten everything up. We still need to go check, make sure there's even oil in this, do an air filter, put the seat on, and see if she runs.
We're ready to kick her over. All right. 3, 2, 1. Cue the time lapse. All right, so one quick part store run later. We now have vent hose for the crankcase and high temp silicone for the exhaust gasket. So now we'll get started on the time lapse of Justin putting this together. All right, it is almost time here. Justin's gonna throw the seat on. He only spilled half a quart of oil, so that's fine, no big deal.
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
It's his first time back.
Yeah.
Just put the seat on, it'll be fine.
I just didn't want to run too lean on us first.
That'll be all right. Anyway, we got this thing full of oil, tranny fluid, air filters on, coolant's in. Did you put water in there?
Yeah.
Okay. We didn't have quite enough coolant, so we topped it off with a little bit of distilled water, but whatever. So I think we're about ready to fire this bad boy up for the first time here. I'm nervous, very nervous. What if it doesn't work? I mean, we didn't build the motor, so.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Hold on. Here we go, take number 2, now with the boot on, because I'm a classy broad. Oh, jeez.
Did you forget how to do this without?
Where's my button?
There's a lot of compression in that bitch, isn't there?
Jesus. Oh man.
You're gonna fall pretty soon.
You know the unfortunate thing, someone spilled oil all over it. It's all
Oh,
slippery.
yeah, okay. You know what? Try and start the bike, why don't you? God. Everything's fresh in it.
I don't feel like this is working right.
Oh wow, this thing is fucking seeping now.
Huh?
It's just seeping.
Seeping what?
The leaf hole, it's fucking seeping out fucking coolant.
All right, so the trials and tribulations of building a bike continue. All our coolant is now on the floor, so that's awesome. We're not sure if we have a bad water pump seal. It's something to do with that. It's pissing coolant out the thing. I can't kick the fucking bike. It's got too much compression. Justin's about to pull the water pump off and just double check. Blake from DBC, who built the motor, is ordering water pump seals as we speak. And then gonna come down and install them later this week, I guess. So we might have this thing running by Saturday. And then again, I may not ride anything but my Yamaha. This is going well. This is going good, Justin. This is going real good.
Is this recording?
Yeah,
Hey man, how's your bike going?
it's going great.
Can you fire this thing or what?
Oh my god, look, dude, it's been recording for 10 minutes, okay?
Look, man,
15 minutes.
can you get like a stronger leg or something?
I can't walk. It goes faster.
Ah, you're getting old, aren't you?
Stop the old.
Oh, fudge.
See here. Come on, baby. That worked. Going great. Everything's fine. Whoa.
I'm offering my services to help push you.
I appreciate it, but I got it.
Okay.
That didn't work. One more time. All right, well, we're gonna wrap the day right there. Put the bike back in the trailer here. We got to sputter once. Outside of that doesn't seem to be wanting to start. No idea what the issue is. We're gonna have to get the motor guy down here. A, fix that water pump. B, to try to figure out what the hell is wrong with that bike and why it won't start. So anyway, it's been another episode of our CRF 450 rebuild, and this is what happens when you rebuild bikes. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. More content with Justin coming soon.
Hey.
And we're out.